Arif told Ria that he just bought a chocolate for rupees 10 and sold it to his cousin for rupees 15. Oh wow, making an extra money of rupees 5. But Ria is very sad as she bought a toy for rupees 70 and sold it to her friend for rupees 50. So she has a lost rupees 20. So what is this profit? What is this loss? So hi, I'm Avneet from PlanetSpark, and in today's video we'll understand cost price, selling price, how to calculate profit, loss, what is profit percent, loss percent, and apply these concepts in a day-to-day life situation so that we know whether we are earning some extra money or are we losing out. So let's understand what is the concept of cost price. The price at which an article is purchased by the dealer is called cost price. If a dealer is purchasing an article for rupees 100, the dealer has purchased the article for rupees 100, he himself has given 100 rupees to buy that article, so that is going to be the cost price for the dealer. So the cost price is the purchase price, which is rupees 100 in this case. Now, if the dealer is selling the article at rupees 150, the selling the article means the price that is called SP, that is selling price. So selling price is rupees 150. So the cost price is rupees 100. Cost price is the price at which we purchase an article. Further, selling price is rupees 150. Selling price is the price at which we are going to sell the article, is the selling price. Just remember, the price at which you are purchasing is the cost price. The price at which you are selling is the selling price. Cost price is denoted by CP. Selling price is denoted by SP. Now, what is profit? If selling price is greater than cost price, then we earn a profit. And the formula for profit is selling price minus cost price. Again, remember, if selling price is more than cost price, then it is profit. That means, let us take an example over here. If the question says if the selling price is greater than cost price, we are having profit. In the previous example that we did was the CP was rupees 100, SP was rupees 150. Clearly 150 is greater than 100. That means selling price is greater than cost price. So we'll have a profit, and formula for profit is going to be SP minus CP. SP is 150. CP is 100. So the profit amount would be rupees 50. Rupees 50 is the profit earned by selling. Let's take another example. If a dealer buys a TV for rupees 11,000 and sells it for rupees 12,100. Now the dealer is buying TV for 11,000. That means cost price is rupees 11,000. And further, the dealer is selling it for 12,100. That means the selling price is rupees 12,100. Clearly in this case, selling price is greater than cost price. 12,100 is greater than 11,000. So this is the case of profit. Profit is going to be selling price minus cost price, SP minus CP, that is 12,100 minus 11,000, which gives us rupees 1,100. Just remember, if selling price is greater than cost price, it is always a case of profit. But what will happen if cost price is greater than selling price? That means if cost price is greater than selling price, we have a case of loss. If selling price of an article is less than its cost price, I have purchased the article for more amount of money and I'm selling it at a cheaper price. That means it is a case of loss. So loss is, the formula for loss is selling price minus cost price, and loss is incurred if selling price is less than cost price. If a washing machine is purchased for 25,000, sold for rupees 23,000, the selling price over here is 23,000, cost price over here is 25,000. Clearly 25,000 is greater than 23,000. So in this case, cost price is greater than selling price. If cost price is greater than selling price, we'll have a loss. That means loss, the formula will become CP minus SP. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. CP over here is 25,000. SP is 23,000. So on selling the washing machine, the dealer has incurred a loss of rupees 2,000. Just remember, if in any case selling price is greater than cost price, it is profit. If selling price is less than cost price, it is loss. Further coming on, moving out to, this was profit and loss in terms of money we have calculated. Now, if we have to calculate profit and loss in terms of percentage, then the formula for profit percent is profit upon cost price into 100. Remember, every time it is divided by cost price. Similarly, the formula for loss percent will be loss upon CP into 100. Just remember, profit percent is profit upon CP into 100. How is profit calculated? Profit is calculated by selling price minus cost price. Similarly, loss is CP minus SP, cost price minus selling price, and loss percent would be calculated as loss upon CP into 100. So the question is, a dealer buys a watch for rupees 580. Buys means we are given the cost price. So CP is rupees 580 and sells it for rupees 667. Sells it for 667 means we are given the selling price. Selling price is rupees 667. So this is going to mean that selling price is greater than cost price. If selling price is 667 greater than cost price 550, clearly it is a case of profit. So profit is SP minus CP, that is 667 minus 580. And 667 minus 580 gives us rupees 87. So dealer has earned a profit of rupees 87. But what if we want to know it in terms of percentage? Then we'll apply the formula for profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit upon CP into 100. In this case, we just calculated the profit. Profit over here was 87 rupees. Cost price we are given as 580 rupees. So profit percent will become 87 upon 580 into 100. Further, we are going to simplify. We are going to reduce in the simplest form. After reducing to the simplest form, we'll get the answer as 15%. So the dealer has made a profit of 15%. Remember, to calculate profit percent, we should know the profit amount and the cost price. So this was the question related to profit percent. Now let's discuss a question related to loss percent. Rahman bought a bicycle for rupees 6,000. 6,000, here's the bought price, that means it is my cost price. Sold it for 5,520. So selling price is rupees 5,520. Now in this case, we can see that cost price is 6,000. Selling price is 5,520. Clearly, cost price is greater than selling price. Since cost price is greater than selling price, this is a case of loss. And the formula for loss is CP minus SP. So 6,000 minus 5,520, that is going to give us rupees 480. So Rahman has incurred a loss of rupees 480. But what if we have to calculate the loss percentage? So the formula for loss percent is loss upon CP into 100. Loss upon CP into 100. What is our loss? Loss amount is 480. So in the formula, we are going to put loss as 480. CP is 6,000 multiplied by 100. Again, reducing into the simplest form, we are going to get that my loss percentage is 8%. So we have discussed how to find out profit percent and loss percent. In today's class, we have learned about cost price, selling price, profit, loss, and profit percent, loss percent. Do watch the next video. In next video, we are going to do the real life practical questions on profit and loss and how to calculate profit percent, loss percent, and furthermore application based questions. This was Avneet from PlanetSpark. Keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe. To book your free demo, check the link in the bio or simply type pspark.in in your browser today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.